When deciding what to plant here at Arlington National Cemetery Memorial Arboretum, we consider how our plants will transition from season to season. To add contrast and dimension to our plantings, we group plants that will complement and contrast each other in color and texture throughout the year. Over time, we've identified several of these plant partners that keep our grounds looking their best during the autumn months. At the niche wall, Juniperus Burkii contrasts beautifully with the fall tawny-colored stems of Amsonia hubrechtii. Juniperus, more commonly referred to as eastern red cedar, was planted to provide a screen for family members visiting their loved ones. The juniper's dense foliage and blue fruits also attract native birds, while the brownish yellow of the wispy Amsonia adds a contrasting layer to the juniper's thick needle-like leaves. This young landscape in the unmarked section now has a chance to show off the brilliant reds of the non-native Kousa dogwoods and the striking yellow foliage of the native Calycanthus floridus shrub. Calycanthus, or strawberry shrub, is known for its fragrant leaves, twigs, and summer blooming flowers. But the fall is when this underutilized shrub really is at its most beautiful. It's an easy shrub to grow and looks best incorporated into a shrub border. Next to the dogwoods, the colors from both plants saturate the landscape and show off a beautiful mix of classic autumn colors. Llex verticillata, winterberry holly, and Juncus Soft Rush are routinely planted in rain gardens. Here you see them planted outside of columbarium courts 10 and 11. The beautiful scarlet red fruits persist on the shrubs throughout the winter, with only the female plants producing the fruit. At the feet of the winterberry hollies, green spikes of the soft rush provide a lush ground cover layer. Both can take the inundations of heavy rainfall and summer droughts. In Columbarium Court 6, late fall landscape showcases Panicum virgatum Northwind and the easy-to-care-for Abelia shrub. The arching stems of the Abelia are still holding onto the dried flowers of summer well into the autumn months. Unlike some other ornamental grasses, the ornamental grass Northwind stays upright and sturdy throughout the fall and winter months. Resist the urge to cut these grasses down until the very end of February and be rewarded with 4 to 5 feet tall, airy flower stems covered with a cloak of winter snow. Together, these plants add depth and year-long beauty to this columbarium court. These plant partnerships are key in keeping our grounds looking beautiful here at Arlington National Cemetery, providing both contrast and depth to our landscapes. We encourage you to incorporate them in your own garden or visit the cemetery and see these partnerships in person.